If I told you to be my girl, if I told you to be my world, if I told you to hold me down, would you come around? Can you be my lover? If I told you that I love you, would you love me back? If I told you that I miss you, would you miss me back? Every time when I talk to you, my heart it beats so fast, feeling everything that you do. What if I told you?
What if I told you I don't love you back? Would you even bother to take a chance to ask? Besides hiding behind all your acts, I can't tell you lying behind that mask. I'm so sick and tired of all your lies. Your lies pop up like number of dice. Never dare to take such meaning guess until you toss that dice of yours. So screw your games that you throw at me. Try to get things done as you please, by fooling with me, by screwing with me. You play your game like you're so damn cool. You never think of all my pain. You think you're the master of mankind's game. Destroy those rules that you can't even name, as if you think I can do the same.
If I told you that I love you, would you love me back? If I told you that I miss you, would you miss me back? Every time when I talk to you, my heart it beats so fast, feeling everything that you do. What if I told you?
What if I told you you never treat me right, never cared to hold on to me tight, always leaving me here night at night when we learn how to be that special night. Little person always like to be treated right by night, who shall always keep his word. Hold him tight by his side like his old mate, so treasure them like his only thing in his world. So baby, you know it's through with us. So sick and tired, ready to do decent. Please don't try to come back and drive me nuts. It's just gonna be a waste of time to injure. So get into your head to know what's ahead. Don't act like you're so deaf. All your life has lead you to this far to now, the end.